Hello friends, are you trying to learn Salesforce Lightning but not sure where to start from? You have gone through tons of resources but still confused? Then don't worry, you are at the right place watching the right video. I will explain every concept related to Lightning from scratch in an easy, relatable way so you have good understanding of the topic. I am excited to see you here. So my friends, the Lightning magic begins. So Lightning is a visual treat to everyone. Everybody wants to move to Lightning and enjoy the new features. It has become increasingly popular with so much demand in the market. However, it has come with lot of unfamiliar words. You see phrases and then you see more of them. It's like a foreign language. You Google words and then more technical words come up. You get lost in the search and then you finally stop looking. Well, how this? Because I have been through all this, and trust me, I know that it is a painful task. You go through words like Lightning, Model View Controller, Single Page Application, Lightning App Builder, Multi-Page Application, View State, and you get all confused. Don't worry, I'm here to help you out. Who am I? I'm Smriti Sharan, 3x certified Salesforce developer working in Deloitte US. So I promise you by the end of this video, you will have a lot of clarity of the concepts. For watching more of these videos, comment, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. So the learning approach. So what are the prerequisites to learn Lightning? JavaScript frameworks. But what if you don't have prior knowledge of other frameworks? You can create objects like OOPS concept. What if you are not comfortable with OOPS concept? Attributes are similar to Visual Force tags, but many people jump directly to Lightning without no knowledge of Visual Force. What I mean to say is, I definitely agree having these prerequisites is extremely useful, but without it also you can master Lightning. Therefore, I will be explaining every concept in depth before diving into the usage of it. So tighten your seatbelt, my friends. You are going to learn Lightning at a super lightning speed. So the topics I am going to cover in this session is what is Lightning, what makes Lightning so special, evolution of Salesforce Lightning, how to enable Salesforce Lightning. So what is Lightning? So basically, when Salesforce launched Lightning, it embarked upon a whole new journey towards the user experience and a complete shift in Salesforce ecosystem. But the main question still triggers in your mind. Basically, what is Lightning? So Lightning is a single page application framework for building single page responsive applications. Yes, you are right. It is a modern UI framework used in the development of dynamic web apps for desktop and mobile devices. Lightning brings tools and technologies used to build Lightning experience which is interactive. So the key takeaway is we can use standalone mobile apps with Lightning. What makes Lightning so special? It's not just a great new user experience, it is also packed with new features to help sell faster. It enables non-developers to build apps by assembling the standard or custom components using the Lightning App Builder. The Lightning Process Builder automate complex processes and workflows without even the usage of coding. Wow, and that's cool. Lightning Schema Builder and Lightning Component. It is a visual design object relationship. So definitely it comes with a lot of features. It is built upon the open source technologies and industry standards. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can use all of them. It uses JavaScript on the client side and Apex on the back end. So it is a modern experience, and best part is it can work on any device. It is the future of enterprise web development on force.com. What more we can expect? So the evolution of Salesforce Lightning. Before understanding the Lightning, it is crucial to understand why Salesforce came up with Lightning at the first place, what challenges it was facing with the present technology that it introduced Lightning. So Salesforce established in 1999, believe it or not, in a bedroom apartment. In 2006, JavaScript with now depreciated S controls were used to do some kind of customization. S control were essentially the only way to customize the application at that point of time. There was one big code file with no structure. It was a complete mess. But trust me, before the advent of Visual Force and Apex, S controls looked magical. Then in 2008, Salesforce came up with Apex and Visual Force after seeing the limitation of S controls. Apex changed the way the developers see Salesforce forever. Apex was Salesforce's on-demand programming language, which allowed third party for the first time to write and run code on Salesforce multi-tenant shared architecture. It was an OOPS concept, and Visual Force is a markup. It is both used to create customized solution, but still it has some problem. Since Visual Force relies on the server to generate a new page when a user interacts with the application, it becomes quite challenging to deliver a new and dynamic experience as expected by the user. Also, the page centric orientation was a poor match for mobile apps, high latency network connections. Fundamentally, this is because it relies on the server to generate new page every time you have interaction with the application. Then Salesforce came up with the uses of jQuery with the Visual Force. Definitely there was high performance, but manipulating DOM was definitely not easy. So in 2012, Salesforce came up with JS reporting. JS reporting was able to build single page apps with JavaScript framework. It was a defining moment for JavaScript development on the platform. It helped users to perform tasks on the page without having to reload the entire page. It brought interactivity and felt more responsive than traditional Visual Force page, definitely. But the problem was that it took extra time to learn and you need to change how to develop and think about the flow of page. It was a lot of work. Then in 2014, Salesforce came with Salesforce One Mobile. It used to build mobile apps using the Lightning framework. Mobile apps allow developers to easily create mobile application. And then finally in 2016, Salesforce introduced our Salesforce Lightning, our beloved Salesforce Lightning. Lightning was different from other frameworks, mobile ready apps, and you have so many Lightning features. Definitely, it was all worth it. Now, how to enable Salesforce Lightning? So, firstly, I will show you how to create your free developer edition and then the switch between classic and lightning. So now that we are of Salesforce Lightning, let's see the first lightning experience. Aren't you guys excited? Let's go through it. Salesforce developer account and you will be able to create free developer edition. You will be able to see a form, put your name, email address, your role, company name, country, postal code, username. Username will be in email format. It necessarily not to be a email address but should be in email format. Then click on register and then sign me up. Once you select sign me up, you will be receiving an email. Once you confirm, you will be able to access your developer org. So this is the first look of Salesforce Lightning. Isn't it beautiful? Definitely it is. Now let's see how we can switch between classic and lightning. So go on view profile and select switch to Salesforce Classic. And just in one click you are on a classic mode. And if you want to go back to lightning, click to switch to lightning experience or select your name and select switch to lightning experience. So just in a one click you are able to shift between classic and lightning. So isn't that wonderful that you can leverage both Classic and Lightning together? What a wonderful tool. Now my domain. My domain is required to create Lightning components. Using my domain, Salesforce lets you define subdomain with their Salesforce org. So let's see. Salesforce gave me this instance name when I created a developer org, and then I used my custom subdomain. Isn't that cool? Let's see. So select setup. Once you select setup, then you will be able to write my domain here, select it, and you will be able to put the subdomain you want to select. I have put Lightning 199 and then I click on check availability. It is available and then I register the domain. By doing this, you will be able to create your own Lightning components. So create your subdomain now. So in the upcoming sections, I will be helping you understanding the difference between classic versus Lightning. So it is one of the most asked interview question. So please understand these differences carefully. And for any doubts, you can comment about it. So time to answer some questions. Comment below the features you like the most in Lightning and comment any doubts regarding this section. Remember that together we can definitely learn much faster. So for the next video, the takeaway is, will Lightning component be replacing Visualforce? And the second is, Visualforce already has components. How are Lightning components different and why would I want to use them? So search for these answers. I will be answering these questions in next video. And check Sfdc Amplified Blog and read more articles related to Salesforce. I will be putting the link of the blog in the description below. How you can learn? Definitely. Firstly, remember that you are not alone. Lot of people are trying to learn Lightning. So go to community, go to meetups, Stack Exchange, Success Community, and Trailhead, and you will feel so a lot of similar people trying to learn Lightning and other Salesforce concepts, and definitely it will increase your confidence as you can learn together. So Lightning cannot be taken lightly. And I want to say that everything easy is once difficult. So don't worry, keep on trying, and definitely you will be able to learn Lightning pretty soon. So thank you, my friends.